Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not in one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon and rising placements. Okay? Minsan kasi mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. For Aries, please. Energies and messages for Aries. Okay. Social status. You will reach the heights of fame and society. Don't get arrogant. Okay. For some of you, you are very popular or you are famous. You are doing well in your job. For some of you, you are in a creative industry. Okay. Vlogger kayo. Okay. Makikilala kayo, Aries. Okay. Don't get arrogant. Stay grounded. Sweet success. It is not difficult to get everything you want and enjoy it. Get what you want. Okay? So, merong success. Okay? Kung ano man yung ginagawa ninyo sa work ninyo or creative projects, you are doing well. You are successful. Okay? You are in the right path, Aries. You will be well known in the society or in the community. Okay? Through the internet. Bright ideas. Have an innovative new inspiration. Test new ideas and break out fast. Take action on your ideas. Okay? So, meron kayong mga bright ideas, downloads. Okay? Take action on that. You will be successful in doing it. Okay, Aries? Ano man yung mga nasa isip ninyo, put that into action. Apply it and put that into action. Okay? This is a success time for you, Aries. Let us see what are the messages from the tarot. Parang kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo ngayon, parang hindi kayo nahihirapan. Parang tuloy-tuloy lang, no? Yung flow ng luck, nandyan. Ng mga bright ideas. Okay? You will be famous. You will be successful. Creative project man to, sa work. Okay. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. Okay? Fortune is on your side. Merong pagbabago, magandang pagbabago na nangyari or mangyayari pa lang sa inyong Aries. Okay? Kung dati hindi gumagalaw, parang walang magandang balita, walang magandang aksyon or walang aksyon sa ginagawa ninyo. Parang ang hirap umusad, okay? But now, gumagalaw na. For Aries, please. Okay. Queen of Cups. Yung mga pinaghirapan ninyo, magkakaroon na ng resulta, magandang resulta. Focus on yourself, nurture yourself, develop yourself further, Aries. You're doing well. Okay? There is an opportunity for you to expand, okay, after your hard work. Yes. May mga pangyayari, mabilis or sudden event, okay, na kailangan ng inyong immediate action. Siguro punong-puno kayo ng mga ideas ngayon and it is the right time for you to act. Yes, you are manifesting something. Okay? You are powerful. You are very talented, Aries. Parang kung ano man yung gagawin ninyo, hindi kayo mahihirapan, magiging successful kung ano man yan. Yes. Wish come true. Okay, merong sense of fulfillment sa inyo. Or make a wish, Aries. Okay? You will be famous. You will be known. Okay? May mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan at the same time. Whether to give someone attention or whether to give attention to someone, okay? Nag-iisip kayo, may kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan kung meron ba kayong pagbibigyan ng pabor, okay? Okay. Someone has feelings for you. Tinitingnan mo pa, okay? Kung bibigyan mo pa to ng kung papansinin mo ba to or hindi. Okay? But for now, parang it is the end ng inyong paghihirap, okay? Ng mga difficulties in general, okay? Pwede sa work mo or sa personal life mo. After some backstabbing, okay, deception, okay, pagsisinungaling, okay. Embrace change in your life, Aries. Makakabangon ka. Kung nahihirapan man kayo noon sa inyong sitwasyon, kung merong someone na nagloko or nagsinungaling sa'yo, they want to apologize and you're thinking about it, whether to accept that apologies or not. Okay? Yeah. Meron kang pagdidesisyonan about sa relationship. Take a break, take a pause first, Aries. Pag-isipan ng mabuti. You've been focusing on your work. Okay? Ace of Cups. Someone wants to offer their love for you, okay? Gustong magparamdam, okay? Nagpaparamdam sa inyo. But you don't know what to do, Aries. Okay? Parang pinag-iisipan mo pa, parang hindi ka ganun ka-confident sa ino-offer ng taong ito sa'yo. But for now, you're just focusing on work. Yes. Someone is falling in love, but you don't know what to do about it. Okay? You're just focusing on your work. May kailangan kang pagdesisyonan kung ito ba ay mag-grow if ever. If ever you will give in, mag-grow ba to? Magiging okay ba ang relationship? Okay? Okay. Meron kang mga bad experiences, okay? Hindi maganda when it comes to relationship before. And ngayon, parang nagdadalawang isip ka if you're going to enter in a new relationship. Okay? Someone is very dedicated to you. You are thinking about it. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo dun. Because of your past experiences, parang negative, okay? You're not confident enough in this relationship or sa relasyon na papasukin mo, okay? But you are just focusing on your work. When it comes to your career, maganda ang iyong situation. Yeah. You are a creative person. Okay. You need to focus on yourself, develop yourself, nurture yourself first. Okay. Right now, you are healing from your past experience, okay? Yeah, pinag-iisipan mo if you want to try again. Okay. But when it comes to work, you are doing well, you are doing good. But in the relationship, you're not that confident, okay? It's like you are trapped mentally about it. Parang hindi ka sigurado sa ganyang sitwasyon. Okay, Aries? Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga messages for Aries. Aries. Teardrops, great personal sorrow. Okay? For some of you, nakaranas ng kalungkutan. Okay? Parang hindi mo makakalimutan yung bad or previous experience mo when it comes to relationship. You feel you were hurt. You were disappointed. Kangaroo. Unsettled times. Need to plan ahead. Okay. You feel na kailangan mong magplano ahead. Okay. You feel unsettled. Parang hindi ka sigurado sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Okay. You need to boost your confidence, Aries. Wealth. Wow. Okay. When it comes to money, when it comes to wealth, you are fine. You're doing well. Okay. Money path. A path with money is waiting for you to find it. Wow. Parang sumusunod sa iyo yung pera, yung wealth, Aries. Fun, romance, celebration, party. Okay, merong celebration, merong party. For some of you, you are celebrating your romance, okay? You are in love. Maybe you will be meeting the love of your life in a party, okay? Or sa isang get together. barrel. You feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money, or goals. Okay, for some of you, you feel incomplete. Maybe in your relationship, in a love situation, money, or goals. Okay. But you know, there is a path with money is waiting for you to find it. Okay? So be hopeful. You are very creative, maabilidad ka, Aries. You are a leader. So wag kang mawala ng pag-asa. Wealth and fortune is on your side. Okay? So everything is okay for you, Aries. Thank you so much for watching. Ito lang yung mga mensahe sa inyo. See you on the next video. Okay? Bye!